Hey everyone, so I just came out this morning to check on the camper. I have it plugged into shore power and I just have the heat pump running on the ductless mini split air conditioner. So it's 25 degrees out this morning and right now it is about 75 on the back wall. The heat just stopped blowing out of there. 72 over here on this wall. It's about 70 on the counter. So the heat pump works pretty good down to about 25 degrees. I don't know if it'll keep it up much lower than that. Oh, I got this cool little rack for over the sink. It's the drying rack. Put glasses or dishes on right over the sink. You know, it rolls up to store it. Other than that, I haven't really done much in here. I did get the exterior rear light hooked up. Let's check that out. Shut off some of these lights. So I put the light strip. There we go. Put the light strip up in the edge of the solar panel. That works pretty dang good. I like it. So as you can see, there is snow out here this morning. A little bit covering the ground. So let's put this snowplow mount on. This is the mount that I made. It started out as a mount from my Mitsubishi Fuso that I used to plow with. So this plate, this cross box, and all this where the plow goes into it, and this side plate was part of the Mitsubishi mount. This had a piece going back to the frame here. This went up to the sides of the frame. So I added on all this and this and this to extend it up to the end of the frame rails and then back to some other places to mount. So this mount I had because both of these tabs, which is the only thing that holds the plow on there, were broke off. They had both cracked and totally broke off. My plow fell off one day. So I believe they were 1/2 inch thick steel. So now I have 3/4 inch. I just cut the rest of it out. So I added this 3/4 inch steel in here. And this is just a holder for the plow wiring. So these pieces are also 3/4 inch. So I have two on each side, 3/4 inch steel going down all the way to where the plow mounts on. Let's get it on there. First we have to take off the bike rack. Hopefully these mounts for the rack that I welded to the bumper will not interfere with the plow headlights. Then I need to remove the shackles because my plow is going to hang right off from here. Take out these two bolts here, both sides, and these two bolts here. And I believe these might have nuts on the back. These nuts are welded on, so they're not going to go anywhere. So bad. Okay, now I guess I'll use the floor jack. Seems Seems like the easiest way, huh? Well, maybe we can use the car jack. Car lift. Let's use the car lift. That sounds even easier. Perfect. Bit. Right there, maybe. Seemed like a good idea. Just need to bump this up a little bit. Bump, 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 bump. I can't reach it. It's close. Okay. Get another ball. I guess we could go up a little more. Stick that in there. There we go. Oh, just another smidge. That seems like we get the bolt in there. Wow. One top bolt in. I think that one's good right there. Yes. Now we can drop this lift right out of the way and let it swing back. That's the first time I put it on using the lift. That worked pretty damn good. So yeah, those, we don't need that anymore. So those holes were a pretty precision fit. I mean, that bolt is snug and that bolt is snug in the frame rail. So the other thing I did, okay, that's weird. Camera just shut off, but the battery's good and everything. So anyhow, I was saying, these holes I had machine shop drilled, and the bolt fits really snug in there. And what I did was when I started making this, I had these two 3/4 inch flat bars, and I pushed them back all the way until these two bolts, you know, didn't have any more play in them, right? So I wanted it all the way back. And then I built these pieces off from it up to there. So there would be no more play pushing back on these. So these 3/4 inch flat bars will give it some rigidity. That one went in. That one's in. It's in. Not bad. Just tighten all those up. Might as well start right here. Bottom ones are tight. And these have the nuts welded, so I don't have to worry about holding them. Now the big ones. Okay. Okay. Now a bigger socket. So I do have a 3/4 inch universal impact. Let's see if that'll give me enough room. Well, it might help. I could probably finish torquing it with the getting a call. Breakfast is ready. Good morning.
Good morning. Want to come in for some breakfast?
Yep, I'll be right in.
Okay. Bye.
Bye. Well, we'll have to do those two big bolts after breakfast. Back at it. I guess we just need to tighten top bolts. And I think this will allow me to do it. The bolts are all tightened down. And then I'm just gonna put the plow wires that were just tucked up underneath the skid plate for the summer. And those fit right in here. I went to check out the Ford to see which side was which. So I wanted them the same so I don't go crazy when I'm putting the wires in. There. So that's it for the plow mount. Would like to see if the headlights are going to interfere, but first, while it's still in the shop, I think I'll put on the radiator cover.